I would like to begin with a very strong message to all the women that God has given us this privilege, a very big privilege, to be born as women. And women have insane strength, that they are so powerful that most people are afraid of this Nari Shakti. They are so afraid of this Nari Shakti. And behind every woman, there are her tears, her pain, her sacrifices, and beyond all, her determination to succeed. Without that, a woman cannot be successful. So that's very clear. So a woman has to think like a man. A successful woman has to think like a man, look like a lady, work like a teenager, act like a lady, work like a teenager, and work like a horse. So this is, in short, a woman has to be. So I have loved my journey called life. I have enjoyed thoroughly, from my salary, which was 300 rupees, to what it is now. I have never felt dearth of money, and I have enjoyed every bit, and have never asked for money, and it just comes. So I feel that the successful woman, there are two kinds of women. One who are successful, the other who could not take decision. One who could take risk, the other found it very risky. So, the decisions have to be taken very, very quickly. लाइफ का तो एक ही असूल है, वो सिर्फ आगे ही बढ़ती है. अगर आपके पास अपॉर्चुनिटी आई एंड यू आर नॉट रॉक सॉलिड रेडी फॉर दैट अपॉर्चुनिटी, देन you are going to miss that opportunity and somebody else will take decision on your behalf. So at every crossroad, there is an opportunity, there is a decision you have to take. You take that decision there and then. And there is so much work in this IT industry that I have spent nearly 35, 40 years in this industry. And I like my hustles. I have never had free time. I never had time for my kids. I never had time for my friends or to pick my children from the school. But today, I do not regret that. I felt that my children have come as the best children. They can swim in the sea, they can sing, they're the good business leaders wherever they are working. So everything has worked well, but those years were tough. So don't think that your children will not become good children because if you're a working mom. So they will come up because they are seeing you, they are observing you. So the sacrifices were there, no doubt, but I never let my home problems in front of the office. Never told anybody about what I am going in the background. Had sleepless night. I had to work. I have to work with very top brass leaders of IT industry. And working with top brass leaders, you have to have substance. Otherwise, you cannot stand in front of them. And the ratio is that only 0.2% women reach the boardrooms. People don't reach the boardrooms. These women, they get left behind. They become accountants, teachers, or back-end, that's all. Only 0.2% women reach the boardroom. And to talk in the boardroom with substance so that those 20 men who are looking at you, they are watching you. Every word you have to speak has to be thought and speak with confidence. So I love my hustles. मेहनत करना बहुत पसंद है. जीतने की होड़ है, मंजिल तक जाना है, पैसे है कमाने और प्रमोशन भी पानी है. लेकिन ज़िंदगी की मंजिल तक पहुंचने के लिए सिर्फ लुफ्त ही नहीं उठाना है, औरों को भी एम्पावर करना है, बहुत लोगों को खड़ा करना है, साथ में अपने साथ लेके चलना है, एंड उनकी भी ग्रूमिंग, अपनी भी ग्रूमिंग साथ साथ करनी है. सो दिस इज़ व्हाट आई वुड स्टार्ट विद, एंड देन वी विल have the questions. Thank you.